cannot run government.
Obaseki don't begin train senior civil and public servants unto how them go take begin work on top mega manifesto. Edo State government don't begin train civil and public servants with their salary grades level 14 and above. On top how them go take begin they do their work, make it for follow for making Edo great again, will be mega manifesto. As na be the blueprint of Governor Godwin Obaseki second term, when he go take carry more deve enter Edo State. As they follow participants, they talk for the flag off of the training wey shele for John Odigye Oyegun Civil Service Academy. Governor Godwin Obaseki talk say him administration ready to build high professional civil servants wey no go tolerate magomago or wuruwuru.
When you are in public service, you will never be millionaires working in the public service. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. When you are in public service, you are not the richest, but you should not be the poorest either. You should be able to afford a decent life for yourselves and your families. And you should have the security of tenure, and that you will not lose your job as long as you do the right thing. We are in service, not for ourselves. It's to serve the people of Edo State. So that attitude in the past that let us just take care of our own, we pay ourselves our salaries, we do, it doesn't matter what happens outside, it can't work again. That is what Edo people showed by voting us massively on September 19th. We have to understand that for us to start, there must be certain agreements about the values that drive the service. We will not have a vindictive service. One of the values must be fairness, and everybody must have the right to be heard.
Obaseki talk say plenty things don't spoil for civil service where them not go fit repair within 4 years, but him go try his best to make sure say a better pass as it be before. And now this one make them they meet to the civil servants where they level 14 and above, make them for discuss mega agenda.
What did we promise? And how do we structure the civil service or the public service to help us make Edo great again? There are many, many things that have gone wrong. Too many. So it will be an illusion to think that we can fix all of these things in 4 years. But we can start by doing those things that are important, by laying the foundation, so that it can only get better. We are going to keep the elements, the essence of government, but we have to change a lot of things to make government relevant to us today.
Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okungbowa can tell the participants of the training to support Governor Obaseki policy to make sure say Edo achieve plenty success in the next 4 years.
Mr. Governor says we're building a physical environment that is world class. We can see from what we have here. The governor says the training has also to be world class. And then, of course, I'm sure everyone was enthused by this. The conditions of service also have to be world class. He said processes must be built on merit so that we can have or make Edo great again. Integrity is paramount. There will be zero tolerance for corruption. And that if we find anyone who is corrupt, we will not only dismiss him, we will also jail him. And then Mr. Governor made a comment, which I'm sure we should all take away. We are in service not for ourselves. We are to serve the people of the state, not ourselves. We must be citizen-centric. Our mindset has to totally change, because the citizen has to be our priority.
This one are the ogbonge information to carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki don't begin train senior civil and public servants on top in mega manifesto when anyone work with for him second term. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na him carry this ogbonge information come give una. My name na Edo Gogo Idoleyi from Benin.